I'm Deepakmuthu, 2024 batch of in BSc Computer Science. I decided to learn full stack development. In the searching phase, I know about HTML GUVI, and then I decided to learn full stack development with GUVI. GUVI it's really helped me to learn the things in full stack development, end-to-end technologies. I'm taking the MERN stack development. In the MERN stack development, I developed the skills in the technologies as MongoDB, Node.js, Express.js, and React.js. That really helped me to understanding the concept of how full stack development works end to end. I joined in weekdays classes. The weekdays classes join the morning batch, so the classes start 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. The classes I think about 3 hours. The experienced mentor to taking class, and then doubt clearing session also. The classes how it's going, it's mostly an interactable class. Like we have any doubt, we can ask immediately to the class, and mentor give the brief explanation with their experience. In the learning phase, the daily task will really help me to understanding the concept of the technologies, how it's work, and sometimes mentor taking the additional classes, like if any concepts is pending in live class, the mentor decided to plan the additional class, and then the additional class also give some out of the box things, like how the industries expect works from the freshers, like that. And then the capstone projects really helped me to the understanding the whole concept of how the back end and the front end will be working with the security, and then how the industry expects the standards. We have one dashboard, right, to join the classes, and how we submit the task in that website. There is an option to raise a ticket for a query. The ticket, the experienced mentor will take, we will connect, and they will clarify my doubts. In my learning phase, the GUVI give me the how industrial works actually. Applied the things to my current internship. I'm working as a front-end developer in Neuron and Technology. It's an online learning platform like that. I can easily make how the folder structures and how the React app is really working in what I learned the GUVI, I can apply here that way. In initial stage, I'm not, I believe myself I can do programming things, but now I can confidently say I can build some websites and apps. If you want to learn something with patiently, GUVI will help so much. Practice consistently. Know the understand basic concepts. Strong in foundation. Now this is the AI era, so we can build the things with the AI. But we strong in the foundation, we can survive as a developer.